Family constellation is a way of understanding that many of our problems today are not just ours. See, they can be often connected to our family, which is there. Our parents, our grandparents, or sometimes people we have not met, maybe our ancestors. तो जैसे हम इनहेरिट करते हैं आई कलर है हाइट है फ्रॉम आवर फैमिली वी ऑल्सो इनहेरिट उनके इमोशंस पैटर्न्स फियर्स बिलीव्स एंड स्ट्रगल्स विदाउट रियलाइजिंग इट. For example, someone may keep facing money problems even though they work very hard. Someone may struggle in relationships again and again. Someone may feel guilty, anxious, or sad without knowing why. Some may feel stuck in life, unable to move forward. So, family constellation helps us see where this is actually coming from. So, in this session, we gently explore your family system and we identify those hidden patterns, unspoken pain, or unresolved events or trauma from the past, from the lineage, maybe from your parents, grandparents, which may be still affecting you today. See, once we see it, we don't analyze it too much. We just allow this system to release it naturally. So, when that happens, people often feel lighter, more peaceful, clearer in decisions, free from repeating the same problems, same patterns in your life. Now, this work can be used for many things. See, relationship issues with partners, parents, children, money blocks, career struggles, job issues, emotional heaviness, anxiety or sadness, feeling stuck in life, repeating the patterns again and again, same तरीके का pattern again and again, बार बार betrayal मिल रहा है, या health issues that don't have a clear reason, any physical problem that you're having, low self-worth or guilt, difficult हो रहा है setting boundaries, no बोलना, and feeling disconnected from your own self sometimes. So the thing is, again, it is not necessary to know anything about your family history. अगर आपको कुछ नहीं भी पता तो भी चलेगा. And nor you need to prepare anything to know about your family system. A system जो है already knows the story. We just need to help it come forward, reveal itself and heal. And that is what family constellation does. Now, family constellations can happen in person or online as well. Now, in online, what happens is we set up like this. Then we ask the client to choose one for you and one for the problem that they are facing, and that is how we gradually start. Now, here what happens is as these dolls are just there to represent the distance, the movement. For example, this wants to move here, this wants to move here. Suppose if you have started the issue with the client and the mother. So now what is happening is now this distance is indicating that something is wrong here. So what happens is gradually through the healing process, whatever comes up, it would come like this or they're hugging or whatever. So the distance which was here initially, which has turned over here, so this movement which has taken place also shows some resolution taking place in the relationship. So in online mode, these dolls are just used to indicate that, whereas there are other people who will be role playing. As I say, family constellation is about role playing. So you as a client will always observe. So you don't have to go through the whole pain, the trauma. You observe the field. This is the field that we're talking about. Reveals what is happening. And other people will do the role play of these characters which are there and help them resolve it for you. The same thing offline, instead of these dolls, they are the people, actual people who you would be choosing and they'll be doing the role play for you. And wherever they are moving in the distance, their movement and everything is going to tell and reveal about what is happening exactly in a particular issue or a relationship or the problem that you have come with.